Two Ferraris at the same time, both spiders. Really cool to see. But yeah, this is a gorgeous spec. It'd be crazy wheels behind it. I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Come. I got an email from TechArt.
Customer got 26-inch wheels and he didn't want to put street tires on it. He wants off-road chunky tires. You guys, standing in front of this lovely SF90 Spider. This car came in for a quick wheel upgrade. We had these wheels on order. This has been a very popular wheel design for us. We just did it with a step lip on the other SF90 with a deeper lip. But these are hitting really hard, and this is a beautiful red SF90 Spider. They also brought in their F8 Spider as well, just to do the same wheels. So we got two Ferraris at the same time, same wheels, both spiders. Really cool to see. But yeah, this is a gorgeous spec, and then we'll go over there and talk about that white one. Now we're in front of that beautiful F8 Spider. Like I said, this is the white with like a brown saddle interior. Really nice, and it got the same exact wheels as the SF90. Like I said, pulled in together, leaving together, same wheels. And like I said, the F8 is super underrated. Beautiful car, the F8 Spider, and of course the SF90 you guys know I love. So yeah, there you have it. Two Ferraris, two wheels, one day. It'd be crazy wheels behind it. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Alright man, I've been waiting for this day. Took a while to get the special forging, but we got it. And this is a one-piece wheel, not a two-piece wheel. Two-piece wheel, you're kind of able to do it, but on one piece, it's extremely difficult to do. And it's missing the cap, so don't worry about that. This is actually built for a Rolls-Royce Spectre, so it'll have a Rolls-Royce cap in the middle. But the middle design is pretty much our RDB Zero design, which is super popular for us. But this outer flange is the trick. I could literally fit two of my fingers between this flange and the face. So it has a really crazy lip to it, if you guys can see from the side. So when it rolls, it looks really crazy. This is new stuff. Super happy about it, and we're gonna be putting it on Spectre pretty soon.
Come. I got an email from TechArt. It's a new record of the. Look, this is a TechArt. There's Sarkis, a nice car turbo GT. You have go. We have something for you at the TechArt, and they say congratulations. And look,
trying to sell you
look, but look at this. It's like,
what?
We want to...
RDB on Instagram.
I know.
It's us.
I know.
Not you.
No, just let me finish it. So, the guy is like, I love you.
You said I love you?
Yeah. And look what he's sending me. That's how I'll show it to you.
Show me where it says I gave you a price list.
Oh, no. Look at this. There's a thing. I don't know what the f is this.
Okay.
The car makes 2.8 seconds.
Okay.
I don't know what the f is this.
That's slow.
2.8?
Yeah.
I'm just being honest.
Okay, so what are you trying to show me?
So, I'm checking what is this?
2.8 after the part?
Yeah. 3.1 before, which is slow.
So it's gonna give you more 260 more horsepower. But what the f is this?
It's a fucking kit. It's like a power kit. It only
What's
costs
power
$500,000. Yeah. It only costs $57,000.
Jesus.
Why does 4,000?
I love you, man. Give me $57,000.
Oh, that is like 4,000.
Wow. Installation is 4,000.
It's $60,000 to make that power. Anything else? Okay.
I thought he had a sponsorship.
Write him back and say, will you sponsor me?
The most annoying person at the shop is this guy.
Why is he coming after me? He tried to kick me. He didn't even go that high.
What are we doing?
Oh, they're gonna lift it.
This guy's telling me to lift the door. He's just standing there. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Hey, he said he's the old man.
Jesus Christ, I have Dumb and Dumber here.
He's gonna kick your ass as soon as he's done with that door.
The wrap boxes are here. That's right.
Communicate, teamwork.
Hey, you remember even if they gave me this car for free, I will never drive this.
You wouldn't drive a Cybertruck? It has stars. It's like you're in space. You don't like it?
Even if they gave me this car for free.
He said what?
Even if they gave me for free, I wouldn't drive this. Bro, look at the car and look at the thing.
Why is it so tiny? The car's so big. But
Yeah, I think Alon is on the thing, like, while he was designing this car.
it was. Says a lot about the designer.
All right, guys, we are entering the clout. Here is a Cybertruck. This one is a pretty cool one because it is wrapped in a satin black. It probably is the best colorway for the Cybertruck. Simple, clean, satin black. Customer got 26-inch wheels, and he didn't want to put street tires on it. He wants off-road chunky tires. And 26-inch, there's only 2 or 3 different tires for it. One of them we got, unfortunately, the tire was too wide for the wheel because the wheels made for these cars are only 9 inches wide, so they're not like super wide. So unfortunately, the off-road tires we got did not fit. We have to order another brand, which is slightly narrower. So we're gonna wait for that. But for now, I'm showing you guys this cool satin black Cybertruck just to, you know, clout chase a little bit, I guess, right? The Cybertrucks are pretty cool. In LA, every time you drive, you see one now on the street. And honestly, this customer has SF90s, has Rolls-Royce Phantoms. He's had every single car, Aventadors, whatever. And he's been like ecstatic about this truck for the last couple weeks that he's got it. So yeah, that should tell you something. The Cybertruck is a pretty cool unit. So hopefully we'll do a lot more with cool stuff. We'll see. These bumpers, they may look metal, but they're plastic. These are the lights. I mean, it's a very funky truck. It's hard to believe that this is a production vehicle that's going to be all around sooner or later. So yeah, hope you guys like it.
Ay, cerote. Culero. Mierda.
Polvo que sale, no mames.
Ey, de veras, pa. Tenías aquí.
No mames, deja de limpiar y todo el cochinero que anda haciendo ese. Madre. Véala, ve esa pieza.
¿Quieres?
¿Qué? ¿Esa pinche qué? Ojalá que cuando le parta la madre, a ver si la mala, a ver si lo va a decir.
Estoy diciendo a él, man. Sí.
All right, guys, so we finished up the custom Harley in Nardo Grey wrap. As you can see, this entire bike was yellow before, and now it is wrapped to match his Ferrari in Nardo Grey. So we left carbon fiber throughout, but all the grays used to be yellow, even the cluster speedometer, the flarings on the wheels, gas cover, all that stuff has been taken apart and wrapped. So pretty cool. He still has some yellow stitching right here. Looks really nice. Now, at least this looks more aggressive and clean, and it is not gonna be a flashy yellow bike. So customers here, we're gonna take it and he's gonna ride it home. We have a RDB app in the Apple Store and the Google Store right now currently.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, we haven't. It's been up on there for a little bit. We just haven't promoted it.
I was the first one who had it.
The app is really about bringing the community together, and then also for our customers, an easy way to hit us up. We have a forum up on the RDB app, and on the forum we have general talk. We have car brands, so people can show off their cars. We also have a car buying tips section. So if you're trying to buy a car and you're confused, if it's a good deal or good condition, whatever, you could post there. We could talk about it. So just trying to build that community, I think it'll be fun. And then, of course, you could request a service, make an appointment, live chats, that kind of stuff. So it's going to be really cool, I think. Let's see what comes of it. Moses will definitely not know how to use it.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.